All right, YouTube, we're back. I have another video for you. This is the last video for this 64. And I'll move on to the next two cars for the show. My dad's Mini Cooper, as well as a Monte Carlo, which is a super secret build. We're not going to reveal the look of that until at the show, but I will show off the trunk build. Car itself, we will not show, but stay tuned for the kick panels. I'm going to modify these kick panels to have a grill much similar to the grill that is in the rear deck. Got all that wrapped up last night. So we've got speaker grills, got the dipping little emblem back in place. Came out pretty good. So now we're gonna finish it up. This is the last video before we move on to the next car. So stay tuned, click like, share, subscribe, and get ready for some pretty cool kick panels. Stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? The vehicle, the 64, is all done. Kick panels are all finished. Center console's all done. Whew. Took me a bit, but got it all done. There's the other kick panel. Cool part about these kick panels, you take this remote here, turn it on, you got some lights. Emblem here turns on. Got your cup holders, USB plugs, and so what. Then you got this corner there. Came out good, and even the rear deck all lights up. Really cool car. Check this thing out. Cleaned it up for him a little bit. Pretty sweet. So 2 down. 1 more to go. Big show, July 30th, Tacoma, Washington. I'm tired. Stay tuned.